Hello, my name is Kish. Um, I'm going to show you how my application works. And this application is responsible for a GET request that gets all contacts from my Mongo database, and also another GET request that is responsible for getting single contacts from the database using the ID. So as you can see at the top right here, is where I've highlighted. You see how my database is connected to my controller, and this will allow us to access my database from MongoDB. Um, in this function here, it allows us to get all contacts from the database. If we request for contacts, we will see that we will be able to see all the contacts in the database. And this function right here, it allows us to see single contacts using contact ID when we request for data from our database. And as you can see right here, we have exported get all in get single so that route, the contact is on the route can be able to access these files. So this route allows us to get all contact upon request, and this route allows us to get a single contact upon request. And let's activate our server.js so that we can access our local host. So it's loading. So if we are to say node server.js, to show us localhost address that we will use to access our website. As you can see right here, it says database is listening and node is running on port 3000, which means our localhost is 3000. So now let's go to our localhost screen. So if we are to say localhost 3000, let's start with the default page. So default page lands us on the home page, and as you can see right here. So let's say we want to retrieve all the contacts, and we have to activate the get all contacts function. This is what happens when we type contacts and request for contacts. We see that our database is 3 contacts and 3 addresses, and uh, let's access the GET request that is able to display one user or one contact at a time with the request with an ID. We see that we get just one contact from our MongoDB. So this is my database, which contains the 3 contacts that we have accessed. It's under cluster 0, and it's in my sample influx. Here we have the collection for contacts, and this is what we have linked in that code that I've shown you before. So I'll go to my render.com and show you my live website. Just a minute, it will take a bit of time while it's loading. So this is my render dashboard. It's opening. And this is my web service deployed. And if I'm to click this link, it will lead me to my live website. There we go. This is our landing page. Let's access the contacts right now. Here we go. Contacts. We get all the contacts that we have in our database. And let's access a single contact at a time. There we go. There we go. This is on render.com where our website is live, and I'll take you to my GitHub repository. Okay, here we are, and there is my project. So here, as you can see, there's a git ignore file, and let's go to my code, my VS Code. If you see that in my uh, git ignore, I've decided to hide the node modules .env. .env specifically because it is my address to and my password to my MongoDB, and then my readme.md. So I've hidden this files, and as you can see, if we are to go to my sorry, if we are to go to my GitHub repository, you see that those files, the .env, the .readme, and and the files are not available. So this is my presentation. Thank you.